My side of the suitcase. This is dude's side of the suitcase. He said his side only weighs 16 pounds. We didn't weigh the suitcase.
And that's why I left 4 pounds.
That's why he left 4 pounds. So I'm assuming that mine can't be 20 pounds. Doesn't look like 20 pounds. We're at 41 pounds. So we're hoping for grace this morning.
For real.
Don't know if you've ever heard the song, and I say this every day, I guess, in October, by the, well, not this part, every day by the Young Rascals. It's a beautiful morning, I can't sing. There's our tree, it's turning colors. Look at the clouds. Back in the beginning, when we got cell phones that could take pictures, or I got a cell phone that could take decent pictures, I had a zillion pictures of clouds. And I forget what brand of telephone it was, and then we switched over to another phone, and it was another brand, and tried to sync the pictures, and it didn't work. So I had like thousands of pictures of clouds, and they were probably all the same, but still. They're beautiful. So I'm packed, he's packed, we have one suitcase, and we hope it's 40 pounds together. Got a backpack, my tablet, my crossword puzzle book, that kind of stuff. And I have my my neck roll. Vegas, baby.
Money though.
he was sitting on his backpack to make sure they let him on the plane.
It's gonna be one.
It's gonna be one.
There are 3 lavatories on this aircraft, 1 forward and 2 in the rear.
Phoenix Airport. We came out of the plane and right to our gate. Excuse me, sir. So we just walked through our little terminal where our gate is, looking for something to eat because we have like an hour and a half. And we found the place and we got a seat and we stopped there because they had nachos or appetizers that we could split. And the lady says, "Oh, we don't have appetizers." What? So now we're walking down to the other side, closer to where we were. So we're at this place called the Tavern, and they have a small menu, but if fries cost $10, you should get a bucket, right? A patty melt with marble rye bread. It's good, but the bread is too thick for me and not as grilled as I'd like it. So I'm still eating it, but just with one of the breads. Okay, kiddies, we made it to Vegas. Did she say 22 or 23?
22.
Okay. Interesting. We just totally bypassed all the other stuff. Slot machines. Like this is no frills. Finally. I think everybody had carry-on luggage because there's nobody over here but me and Jonathan and a couple of other people. If we were in Chicago, we'd be fighting right now trying to find a spot. We were saying we came out of Frontier Airlines, and most of the time when you come out, you go past slot machines and all this kind of stuff. This area here is the, I don't know if it's we mean business area or just, hey, get the hell out area. Here we go again. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Every place we've gone, we had to stand in line at the car rental place for what felt like an hour. And now we're standing in line at the hotel. We're staying at the Cosmopolitan again. Got a free room. Ceiling, where am I? Some bar. This is the check-in. Have all these mirrors and different things, but it's like you don't go to the casino first. Some hotels we've been in, You go to the casino first before you get to check in. But anyway, there's JT. It's the other way. It's the other left. Okay, and then there's the moon that we saw. You can't beat the view.
Caesar's on the moon.
And don't forget your Caesar's rewards. I miss those commercials. And they always have interesting artwork, or at least in the room we were in before. And you come in, and we're going to come around this way. And I don't know. What is this? The one we were in last time had a sink. But this is just a terrace suite. Not the... Oh. Don't tell anybody. The refrigerator. Is this our refrigerator, or is this the... Yeah, if we have anything, we can put it in there. So this must be the...
Yep.
Don't open again refrigerator. Don't touch anything at all. Then the living room area is a little dark. I don't know where the other lights are. Unless we got to turn on this light. Because there's no overhead light. Oh, yeah. And tablet controls everything. Here's a little living room area. Here's the, I think I'm going to sit and write a letter area. TV on the wall. That's Jonathan. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
And here I am after a long day of traveling. This one closet has the safe, has the iron, because I do have some wrinkled clothes. Ironing board in there. Hangers. Nice little robes. Hey, where are my house shoes? I thought they gave you house shoes.
Well, I guess that's only on the, when you get the corner room.
Let's see. Relaxation looks good on you. I can wear the robe, but I don't get house shoes. Dadgummit. Wait a minute. Ha, 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 ha. Here they go. That's what I'm talking about. They're right here.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
And you can take those, right?
Yep. And then this is the bathroom that apparently, let's see, has a sliding door.
I like the tub. How it's laid out.
So, sliding door. Open it back up. Here's the bathroom, 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. Here's the porta potty. The door doesn't want to stay open. I don't know where the light is. So here's the light. The light for the bathroom. If you run out of toilet paper, this reminds me of something like my grandmother used to have in her house. To cover the toilet paper up, I turn the light on. Okay, this rug is nice, but every time I open the door, it gets caught. So I'm gonna push it under here. There we go. Now, this is what Jonathan is in love with. It's weird, but it's interesting.
Yeah, it is.
This is the shower door. We open up the shower. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I got my shoes on. Here's the shower. And then here's what he's liking. They call this a Japanese soaking tub. And there's a window. And I'm hoping that nobody across the way, if he decides to step in the tub butt naked, can see him. I don't think they can. But there's a screen. I mean, not a screen. a shade that you can let down. But if he wants to soak, I guess if I want to soak, you can get in. Now, the bedroom. And if he's sleeping, there's a door. Or if he gets up. So here's the bedroom. Here's the bed. It has 2 dressers or nightstands, lamps. These little things are for reading. Television set on the wall. Then the tub kind of comes into the bedroom. And let's see. Whoops, wrong way. And you can close it off. And you can do the same thing over here. Uh-oh. No, you can't. Oh, yes, you can. It's there. Again, here's the bedroom. And then... Oh, that's hard. The balcony. It's got a couch. It's dark, so it's hard to tell. He can sit out here and smoke if he wants. You just can't smoke in the room. Here's the bathroom now. I pulled down the shade. You can't see it. See if you see the light right there. That's into the bathroom. And then here's the other chair. So we're at the Cosmopolitan Hotel, Chelsea Suite, room 4404 for Jonathan's birthday. And then here's a little settee if you want to come and, you know, put your shoes on or whatever when you're getting dressed. I missed that. And I think, does this place only have 1 bathroom?
Ooh, wow.
It's only got 1 bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
Because I think this is an adjoining room.
Yep.
Okay.
Rip house.
Okay, these are tater tot nachos. Tater tot nachos with braised short ribs, pico de gallo, sour
All
cream.
wings, wet or dry, can get a little bit messy.
Okay,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you. Cheese sauce. And then buffalo wings. That's the buffalo. I got the plain. Everything looks good. We're in the lounge, the sexy lounge. And they just called a party of 10 for sexy Dracula.